Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this new high-def body cam, and spoiler alert, this thing is awesome. It's easy to use and it has a ton of features. Let's get right into it. So inside the box, we got a user's manual, the USB-C charge cord, and then the body cam itself. So if we come in for a closer look on the camera, it's got a real nice minimalist sleek design here. You got a clip back here so you can put it on your shirt, your pocket, on your belt, what have you. Yes, on the bottom we've got your USB-C charge port. Yes, you've got your micro SD card slot right here on the side, and they include an SD card too, which is always a nice touch. And we've got all of our different buttons here I'm going to cover as we start to go through this. But you've got the camera, which has LEDs built in, and then you can rotate the camera front to back depending on how you want to use it. So if you want to hold it and use it selfie mode, you could do that. Or if you want to hold it and point and shoot, you'll be able to look at that through the viewfinding window. So we have a nice real-time viewfinder right here. So when you're using the camera and pointing, you know it's going in the exact direction you want to. But like I said, you can take the camera and you can flip it front to back on demand. And this button up here will 180 the screen, so it's right side up. If you ever want to turn the screen on or off just to save battery or not, give it away, you could do that. Or you can hold that button for a couple of seconds and it has these super bright LEDs. So if you're shooting in the dark or you want to use it like a flashlight, you could do that as well. So it's got real good quality, yeah? And it's really simple here. You just press those buttons on the side, like I said, and then the OK button in the front. You can use this to access the files on the card here and go back and forth and check out all your different stuff. We're going to get to the test footage in just a second, but you can also record audio only if you wanted to do that. And the camera is also Wi-Fi enabled, and they have an app that's really easy to use that'll allow you to directly control the camera, and you can take pictures and record video right to your phone. You can record it straight to the SD card here, or you also have that Wi-Fi access to check what's on the SD card if you want to do that remotely instead of plugging it into a computer. But you can plug it into your computer directly with the USB-C cord, right, as a mass storage device without even having to pull out the SD card, which is very convenient and very easy. Let's get to the test footage. All right, time for some test footage. Yeah, this thing works real easy. I very much enjoy having the viewfinder on the back side here so I can see where I'm going as I walk around. And you can see we've got a real good high def image here. It's very convenient, and the built-in microphone as I'm talking is quite nice. But what's also real convenient is I can just take the camera, flip it around, hit the 180 button, boom, I'm right side up. So this makes it a really good walking, talking, selfie type of camera as you're out and about doing different things. And I don't know if you can hear our neighbors. It sounds like they're by the pool playing some music. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. But let's not forget we do have a built-in LED light. Turn that on, so if you're using this at night as a body camera, right, you'll be able to project a bunch of light as you're going around. Or the same thing, once again, if you want to flip it around, woo-wee, that's good, right? You could turn this around and you could just be vlogging once again, right, handheld, and you got that in selfie mode, and you can capture all the different stuff in your environment. So good video quality, good audio, but I also wanted to play it back for you just here on the device so you can hear how good the actual speaker is that's built in if you're reviewing your files right off of the body cam. All right, time for some test footage. Yeah, this thing works real easy. I very much enjoy having the viewfinder on the back side here. So at the end of the day, I'm really happy with this body cam. It's easy of use and the features that come along with it. And when you're looking for a body camera, you want something that's going to perform well so that you have that safety, security, and that peace of mind. And that's exactly what this one does.